Footwork got some as he came in. And now there's the tag to Shelley.
It's not the legal man.
Big elbow
So many
from
elbows are being
Here he
swung.
just had his wits about him, beating Alex Shelley to the punch. Now every
I've
single
said
man
this like
down.
8 times.
Every which way they've
This
gotten
is
after
madness.
each other. Remember SmackDown General
They're
Manager
so
Nick
good.
Aldis. He put forth the challenge
All 4 of
to
these
all
guys are
these
so
tag
good.
teams in the back. You want a shot, go out and prove it. We're going to mix you up tonight and see who looks the part.
Well, every team seems to be competing
Yeah,
at a
okay, double
championship
team.
level.
Nice.
No matter
Oh, I
who,
love this.
DIY and
I love
IC.
this.
The teamwork.
They are so
It's going
good.
to be a hell of a
Legends.
defense for them.
Legends.
And it looks like it is the Motor City Machine Guns now closing in on victory.
Oh.
Isolated in the ring is Austin Theory. Grayson
At
Waller
this point, we
cleared
need
out.
more
Here we
City
go,
Machine
Joe.
Guns versus DIY in a leather match.
Boom! They
I love when
landed.
he says boom.
Motor City Machine Gun.